Accidentally switched your Samsung phone's language and now everything looks like a foreign film. Don't panic. I'll show you how to get back to English in a flash. First, find the settings app icon. It usually looks like a gear or cog wheel. Tap on it. Don't worry about what the words say. The icon is the same no matter the language. Okay, now scroll down until you see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines with small dots next to them. It might be labeled something completely different, but the icon is key selected. This is General Management. Inside General Management, look for an icon that resembles a globe or the letter. This is where the language settings are hidden. Tap on it. You should now see the current language displayed at the top. Below it or beside it will have an option that says something like Add Language or a plus sign. Tap on the plus sign or the option to add a language. A list of languages will appear. Scroll through the list until you find English US or English UK. Depending on your preference, tap on your desired version of English. Your phone might ask if you want to keep the current language or set English as default. Choose the option to set as default or the equivalent in the current language. It's usually on the right. And there you have it. Your Samsung phone should now be back in English. Easy peasy.